Here we are the day after the storm on Sunday night, and get off my toes. We're having cashew peanuts, Planters cashew peanuts. They're about $5 a can, and we got 3 piles of Fruit Loops cereal. I had 2 hamburgers there from A&W. They ate those plain cheeseburger. And we got kibbles and bits, and we're going to make some sandwiches later on. We got Casey and her 3, but there was a 4th one here. He left. So they like the Planters peanuts. Yeah. And it went through a pound of hot sauce. Ow! Get off my toes! This light color fella, he's after my toes all the time. They like the Planters peanuts. Don't you fellas? And we got the swing all back together. I didn't put the cushions on it, so it's kind of cool out here tonight. It's about 16 degrees Celsius. That would be 63 in Fahrenheit for you Americans. That dog food is Alpo, name brand. It's nice and quiet here, no wind, no rain. What a storm we had. My house was good. It never got any damage. The roof stayed together. Get out of there. Go eat your supper. Go eat your supper. Never mind what I'm doing. I just put some grapes out too. Yeah, we had some grapes, didn't we? Huh? The grapes just went poof, gone like nothing. They were on for $1.99 a pound. So I got 2 full bags. Didn't bother with the pan of water, but we got 2 buckets of water out. The 1 bucket I had to go find in the woods. The wind took it. And I had it right up close to the house here, but she lifted her out of there, water and all. Hey fellas. This light colored guy here, next to his mother, this fella here, is he ever bold? Yeah. Casey. Casey. Who are you looking for, girl? Who are you looking for? Hossy then be here with her 4. Yeah. We'll have to do another film when they arrive. Alright, we'll hit the lights here. There we go. Mr. Connor and Miss Charlotte. The 2 of you together. What? How come the 2 of you are together? Connor cat. Charlotte. Charlotte.